First things first, if you don't have VS Code installed yet, visit code.visualstudio.com and install it on your system according to your operating system. Once it's installed, open VS Code and select any project. In this case, I've selected my test project. Next, click on the extensions icon and search for the Claude Code for VS Code extension. You'll see the option to install it. Since I've already installed it, I'm seeing the option to uninstall instead. Once installed, it will ask you to sign in with your subscription. Simply click on it, log in through Chrome, and authorize the connection. Once that's done, you can start using Claude Code. After installation, you'll see the Claude Code icon here. Click on it to open the prompt window where you can ask Claude to do things like create projects, update existing files, and work with folders. There are also some settings here that you can customize. You can also click this slash icon to see the available models and switch between them depending on your needs. For now, let's keep the default model and ask Claude to read this existing project and update the README file based on what this project is for. Within minutes, Claude reads through the entire project and updates the README file based on the project. There's also another way to use Claude through the VS Code terminal, but using the extension is much simpler and more convenient. And that's it. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI and developer tutorials.